Okay, so now that we've simplified it a little bit, I'm going to rewrite it here, and so should you. Just type it out on your slide. This is now a plus, and this is now a minus. So you might be in the habit of just going in order, but I feel like that takes a lot longer. So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to circle and combine all of the negatives by adding them together. Then, change colors. Then we will box and combine, I guess I can just say and add all of the positives together. So what does that look like? So 3 is a negative. Oops, let me do it down here. 3 is a negative and 5 is a negative, right? So 5 plus 3 is 8. So altogether I have 8 and I keep their sign, which is negative. Then, just using a different shape, so I'm going to box my positives. I have a positive 8 and I have a positive 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. I keep their sign, which is positive. So that's your second step. Get all your negatives together. Get all of your positives together. Instead of adding, subtracting, and adding and subtracting over and over, just add everything up that's negative, add everything up that's positive. You're going to have a slide next asking you if you can simplify, how many negatives are there, and then we're going to do our final step to solve this problem, which you probably already know, but we'll do the step together anyway.